Alright, so this is how the center console looks. That's the gear knob, and that's how the road looks. Once again, the center console, the gear lever knob, that's crystal. And now I'll start the car. Look at that. Yay! And that's the low beam, high beam. What an amazing throw and spread. Okay, now I'll show you something else as well. Now please focus on the right hand side there. Okay, so okay, I'm going to show you the cornering lamp function. So basically the fog lamps, again LEDs, they have the cornering function. So okay, in fact I'll show you once from inside the car. And okay, you cannot see the steering wheel. Wait, now you can see the steering wheel, right? Now again you have to concentrate on the right hand side, right corner. Okay, you see that? Of course you can see that. Switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. Now let's do the same on the left hand side. Switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. Oh, by the way, these are all touch controls. Even these lights. Okay, so once again, touch sensitive. Okay, let me show the cornering function to you once again. Okay, one, two, three. Switch off, switch on, switch off. See, that's the fog. It's off right now. Yay! Alright, now let's drive. Okay, so that's the low beam. And now I'll turn right. High beam. Low beam. High beam. That's the low beam, high beam. I'll stop right here. So I hope you got a fair idea of this Volvo XC90's headlights, and pretty impressive, I must say. Of course, they have to be. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.